Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to check CPU temperature in Windows 10. So now by default, if you simply head over to your task manager in Windows 10, and by the way I have Windows 11 but the steps are pretty same. So here, as you can see, we have this performance option, and once we click on that, now here we have our CPU. Now in CPU properties, if you look closely, we do not have any temperature showing up like it does for our graphics card. So here, as you can see, for the graphic we can see the GPU activity and we have the temperature around 40 centigrades, but for the CPU it doesn't shows up anything. And to fix it, even in the details below you cannot see any property related to its temperature. So now to fix it, what you can do is simply head over to a browser of your choice, and from here you need to just open a new tab and search for CPU temp. So you can see I have already searched, and type in here CPU temp, and once you do, you can see we have this the very first link saying core temp. So this is basically a third-party application that monitors your processor's temperature and other vital information. So click on that. Now you can go through all these details. So your temperature is going to be looking something like this in this little window. So we are going to be clicking on this download option, and it is going to be eventually downloading the software for us. And once you do, eventually you will have your processes, each and every details looking something like this, like for example how many cores there are and how many threads, and all of vital information is going to be looking up using this software. So you can just go ahead and click on this download option, and even if you want to just go for previous versions, you have that more downloads option as well. And yeah, so make sure that you're running if you're running 32-bit of Windows, you can go for 32-bit and 64-bit. We have both options in here. So this is a really nice software that I use for my personal use as well sometimes. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next couple of videos.